آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں اپنا چینل جاب ٹیسٹ پریپریشن کمپیٹیو ایگزام. دوستوں نئی ویڈیو کے ساتھ آپ کی خدمت میں حاضر ہیں. آج کی ویڈیو میں ہم تحصیلدار جنرل نالج پیپر جو ہے وہ مکمل حل شدہ لے کے آپ کی خدمت میں آئے ہیں. تو جو ویور ہمارے چینل پر نئے ہیں ان سے ریکویسٹ ہے کہ ہمارے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں اور بیل آئیکن کے اوپر لازمی پریس کریں تاکہ آپ کو ڈیلی بیس پر ہمارے چینل کی اپڈیٹ ملتی رہے. اب چلتے ہیں ڈیٹیل تحصیلدار کے جنرل نالج پیپر کی طرف جو 14 نومبر 2021 کو ڈفرینٹ سٹیز آف پنجاب کے اندر ہوئے ہیں. تو 100% پیپر اور اس کے ساتھ اس کے سولوشن کے ساتھ آپ کی خدمت میں جنرل نالج کا پیپر لے کے آئے ہیں. تو سب سے پہلا ہمارے پاس کویسچن ہے وچ پلانٹ ٹیک لانگیسٹ ٹائم ٹو آربٹ اراؤنڈ دا سن. نیپچون. وچ از دا بریکسٹ ٹرانزیشن ڈیٹ 31 December 2020. Default printer mode is B portrait mode printer. Third battle of Panipat, which took place in 14 January 1761, was between Maratha Empire and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Pope of Roman Catholic is Pope Francis. Which country is going to buy JF-17 Thunder from Pakistan? Argentina. Which country has maximum airports? USA. MS Excel is an application. Search engine use software called to search different document. None of these. Browser. An Islamic political system, sovereignty belongs to Allah. Which is literal meaning of Islam? To obey. A caution with +1 charge has 10 electrons. How many protons does it contains? 11. B. Name of the game in which sides of the teams are changed after every goal. Snooker. None of above. Which is method to insert section break in MS Word? None of these. All of above, in which all of above option is not available. In Microsoft Office, the series of command grouped together is called macro. Who has the founder of Indian National Congress? A.U. Hume. اس میں جو ہے وہ گاندھی آپشن ہے, موتی لال نہرو ہے, عبد الکلام آزاد ہے, اس میں none of above ہے. Panama Lakes, which two oceans یا sea? Atlantic and Pacific. Only player in Pakistan history, cricket history to score 100 on Test and ODI debut. Abid Ali. Data sort is used to arranging data in ascending descending order in MS Excel. Pen cannot be found in MS PowerPoint. Search result. The gloves are actually dry flower birds used as a spice. Who is administrative head of province? Chief Minister. MS PowerPoint is used for presenting one on-work report or performance. The largest river of the world, River Nile. Which statement about internet is true statement? It is network of networks. A. Shinebed is a security agency of A. Israel. The system of Dariche remained operational during none of above. A game which is played by horse ride is polo. In MS Word, Ctrl plus E is used to align text in center. Total number of Madani surahs is 28. B. When Benazir Bhutto became the Prime Minister of second tenure, 1993. Real name of Shah Waliullah Qutbuddin. Command unused to convert MS document to PDF document. Save as. The gemstone ruby is actually aluminium oxide. Which is oldest seat of learning in Europe? Oxford. I think یہ 1097 یا 96 میں بنی تھی. First census was conducted in Pakistan 1951. Is the correct format C? Email کا correct format C ہے. A person suffering from nearsightedness myopia uses concave lens. Which is incumbent Secretary General of SAARC? B. PPT extension indicated a file created at PowerPoint. Which country has developed its laser-based aerial defense system? Israel. Hunjra Pass connect Pakistan and China. Mailbox is a storage area for an email account. Kalimullah is the title of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Sun is a star. IP standard Internet Protocol. EndNote is placed at the end of the MS Word document. Halaku Khan sacked Baghdad in 2058. Bees have to collect nectar from 20 million flowers to make 1 pound. In MS Excel, name box is used to obtain address. What was the old name of Sahiwal? Mentugumri. In MS Word, Control plus is equal to is used to put an item little below the normal text. The area between the river Jahnab and Chenab is Chhaj. Speed of sound will be maximum in water at 20 degrees centigrade. In MS PowerPoint, motion effect can be applied to object of a slide by animation scheme, where the famous building Chiburchi is located in Lahore. Shortcut key combination. Rest the highlighted text to the default font in MS Word. None of these. Which nation has filed a suit against the Myanmar for its alleged role in the Rohingya genocide case at the ICJ? Gambia. In which country there are maximum airports? USA. Control plus A command is used to select the all text. Whole text या all text एक ही बात है. Merge mail allows to prepare and send same letters to different persons. The 2021 Nobel Prize of Medicine is given to David Julius and Arden Patapotan. A and B. Which is the most important part of Hajj? Waquf Arafah. 64 in MS Office, Control plus W is used to current window close. Which country took over the G20 presidency recently from Japan? Italy. None of these. In MS Word, the shortcut key of the pasting a copied text is Control plus V. Allow to go from one web page to another web page hyperlink. At the time of death, what was the age of Quaid-e-Azam? 71 years. More than 71 years. Which Muslim leader considered Quiet India movement as an anti-Muslim actions of the Congress? Quaid-e-Azam. The name of the companion of the Holy Prophet ﷺ is mentioned in Quran. Hazrat Zaid bin Harisa. Hazrat Zaid bin Haris radhiyallahu anhu. B. FTP is used to retransferring files from internet to your computer. FTP. If the air resistance is 0, all objects regardless of their masses fall with same acceleration. The International Day of Peace is observed annually on 21st September. Which surah of Quran is graded as 1/3 of Quran? Surah Halas. Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra, former Prime Minister of Pakistan? Internet is network of network around the world which enables to share information with other peoples. Which of the South Asian countries does not get rains from monsoon? None of these. In a mixture 60 liter, the ratio of milk and water is 2:1. If the ratio is to be 1:2, then the quality of water further rated in 40 liters. Which units are used to measure air pressure in vehicle tires? Pound per square inch. Israel was the title of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. In MS Excel, a comment is inserted by using Shift plus F2. In 1526 AD, who laid the foundation of Mughal Empire? Babur. Which of the following is known as Yawm al-Furqan, Jang-e-Badr? Business with the help of internet is called e-commerce. Which Turkish leader abolished the institution of Khilafat? Mustafa Kemal in 1924. Default name of newly created MS Word file is document. Cash crop of Pakistan is cotton. The law of gravity was introduced by Newton. 89 है जामे में फूला ना समाना मुहावरे का मफहूम है नहायत खुश होना. दुरुस्त ज़रबुल मसल की निशानदेही करें. अपने तीन गवाह के दर दर मांगी बीक. कुवैत की रूह से साथ के अतबार से वो लफ्ज़ जो ख़ुद तो किसी लफ्ज़ से ना बना हो अलबत्ता इससे आगे लफ्ज़ बन सकते हैं उसे मस्तर कहते हैं. चतराल दास्तान, हुंज़ा दास्तान और नंगा पर्वत के मुसन्नफ़ मुस्तनसर हुसैन तारड़ हैं. ज़िंदगी की ज़िंदा दिली का नाम इमाम बख्श नासे. यानी ज़िंदा दिली का नाम है मुर्दा दिल क्या हाक जिया करते हैं ये खूबसूरत शेर इमाम बख्श नासे. जाड़े की चांदनी का मफहूम फजूल चीज़. जुए शेर लाना मुहावरे के मानी है मुश्किल काम अंजाम देना. दरझेल में से कौन सी ज़रबुल मसल दुरुस्त है? बकरी की माँ कब तक खैर मराएगी? कभी न कभी छुरी के नीचे तो आएगी. आसमान टूटना मुहावरे का मतलब मुसीबत आना. पानी वानी रोटी वोटी गलत मलत में कुवैत की रूह से गर्द दूसरे लफ्ज़ को महमल कहा गया है. 99 है मगरबी तनकीद में अलूवियत का नज़रिया इरसतु लॉन्जाइनस सिडनी इनमें से कोई नहीं. डी ऑप्शन ठीक है. पत्ता पत्ता बूटा बूटा हाल हमारा जाने है जाने न जाने गुल ही जाने बाग तो सारा जाने है. शेर में इस्तारा 4 मरतबा आया है. That's all about today video. Welcome soon inshallah more videos. Please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Please like, share, watch our videos and support us. Thank you.